Boys, we're gonna be live trading again. Today is the 20th. So yeah, let's see what we have today. So let's see here. Okay, so we're bullish. We've been bullish, so that's good. So we are in this 4-hour fair value gap. Let's see. Yep, 4-hour fair value gap. We have this lows and these highs here. We are in this 1 hour fair value gap as well. I'm looking more of a bullish. I have more of a bullish type of idea. So yeah, we have our London high up here, and then we have our London low down here. We're gonna pretend it's this one, and then also for Asia high is this one. Asia high, London high, and then we have London low, and then we have this hourly liquidity that we're also gonna count. So yeah, we're gonna mark out our 930 and our macro, which is right here. All right, and then let's move to ES. It's gonna be a similar type of idea, I'm guessing. I don't see any SMTs as of now. This, the high, which we're gonna mark, London high. We're gonna move this a little bit lower. London low, and then we have Asia high up here. Asia high, we move on. Wait, actually, I want to see the 4 hour, how it looks. Okay, it looks pretty much the same. The 1 hour. This one, and we have this one here. Okay, so we have multiple levels of liquidity here. Money. And money right here, okay. We're gonna mark out this here. Like that, okay. Yeah, similar idea on ES. Let's see if there's any SMTs. Okay, there's nothing. I don't like this mouse anymore. I don't know why. The Apple Magic Mouse. I don't know. I might just go back to the old one. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, we're just gonna be waiting now for a move. So I might change my chart colors. I'm not gonna lie. I need to see the cleanest ones, but yeah. All right. We have an SMT here with ES. With ES, NQ came down and took these lows, and ES didn't. How far are these lows apart? 545. Okay, so it's these. NQ took them. ES didn't. Looking like we're getting a move up off of that. I don't want to long that just yet. So yeah. $21. Okay, we got a. Okay. I'm gonna wait for a change instead of delivery. I mean, break the structure, and then I might go in off of that. Dumb. So it's just dumping again. Okay, so we made equal lows here. I do not like that at all. It's not an SMT anymore. Just equal lows. All right, we're getting that pullback. Yeah, I'm gonna go for longs off of this close, off of this 5-minute candle close. As you can see, we didn't come down and take out these lows at all, but we did on ES. So that's a 1-minute SMT right there, right here. That SMT right there. So ES is the lagging index. Could go ahead and take it long. However, I just want to wait a little bit more for a break of structure or something. Okay, so we just inverse this fair value gap here. We just inverse this fair value gap here. All right, so right now after getting that London high, we're getting a retracement into this moment of fair value gap. I'm looking for it to come and take out all this draws on liquidity right here. It just tapped into equilibrium, so we're gonna be waiting for that. Equilibrium has been hit, so yeah, EQ has been hit right here. We're gonna wait for a rejection off of that if it's possible. It hit EQ as well in ES. There is no SMT as of now, so that's good. We're gonna be waiting for a reaction off of this. As you can see, ES is looking pretty good. But we're gonna size heavy as well on this trade because it's time for me to size heavy. I can't just not size heavy, you know. But yeah, that's how we're looking right now. We're respecting this 1 minute for rally gap. So I might long off of this. I like how ES looks, so yeah, we might long this. If the next candle is bullish, I will long. Because it respected this 1 minute for rally gap perfectly. It's gonna be looking something like this. But now we just have to wait. Okay, I don't like this wick. Let's see, ES. Yeah, we could go in. We're gonna have to wait for one more candle. I don't know. I don't know what's happening right now. We're still respecting this fair value gap, so. On ES, it's more clear that it's respecting. There's no news, so I don't know what the fuck is going on. Let me refresh. Let me refresh this. ES is looking better than. Oh, Trump is speaking today? Okay, I like how ES is looking better than NASDAQ. We're gonna take that on ES. Damn, what the fuck are these wicks? Okay, we didn't even get a break of structure, but I don't know what market is doing right now. I'm not gonna go in. I'm gonna wait. You know what? I'm gonna go in NASDAQ. Because we got that change instead of delivery, so we are gonna take that. Fuck, no, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. That change instead of delivery that I'm talking about is right here. But I think I'm gonna wait for one more candle. This one would be the deciding candle. Okay, I'm gonna go in. I just got in one. Why? Why?
I need your help for a second.
What do you need?
I can't get the stovetop to turn on.
The stovetop to turn on?
Only the one burner though. The rest of the burners are working. The big one isn't.
Give me 1 second. Okay, depending how we close on this one, I'm gonna add more precision. Oh shit, it's too far now. Okay, we're in for 8 micros. I got filled around here. I got filled around there. And we're gonna target these highs up here. Or actually, I'm gonna target these up here. What level is this? Oh shit, I forgot. Save as. 21. 458. Okay. So if we lose, we lose. If we don't, we don't. That's how it is. We got this breaker structure here, so that's what made me want to go in. I like where my stops are at. It's good. We might get stopped out on this one. Holy shit, what the fuck? Damn. Alright, well, we're out. I gotta go. So, gotta go make lasagna and be with my girl. So, I'll see you guys.